Hey guys, this is LJ Master from Robertson House DIY, and I am here today with Clara and Adea, who are gonna help show you how to turn a pool noodle into two lightsabers or two swords. So we start off, you have to have a roll of duct tape and a pool noodle and a pair of scissors. And so what we're gonna do, you first of all have to figure out where it is halfway, and we started it off a little bit so we would know, and Clara's gonna finish cutting that. Not too wide, right there. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now what we're going to do is put two bands on each one. Do one at the base. And Adea, can you go ahead and cut that for me? Right about there. Okay, then we go about 8 inches up and we put in another band of tape. So right about here. Okay. So we have two bands. And now what we're going to do is make the handle. And you have to have somebody helping you with this part. So Clara's going to help me with one and Adea's going to help me with the other. Go hold the end. Okay. And we want this to be about 10 inches long. And you may have a little bit extra when you left over. But there's the hard part. You want to make sure your finger doesn't get caught in the middle of this thing. There. And we bring it down like this. And then one of you guys can cut the end of it. Okay, and we'll do one more. Adea, can you hold that? Let's make it a little bit longer. Okay, and bring that down there. Make sure they're nice and even so they match up so there's no sticky stuff at the end. Okay, go ahead and cut the end of that. Now we have two lengths of tape. What we're going to do now is we start off by taping one end to the base, and if you can hold that right there, Adea, right there. Okay, watch out for that. And so we're going to tape around and cut it again. Okay, so now you have this flap here. And what we're going to do is Adea's going to put her hand on it so we know how tight to make the handle. So you go put your hand through. You see that? And so we're going to go ahead and put tape right here. Clara, can you hold that for a second while I make some tape? So right about here. Okay, go ahead and cut that. And if you can't cut it, it'll tear also. Okay, now I'll go ahead and show them what the sword looks like. Remember, put your hand through there. Okay, let's do the other one real quick.
This is a sword.
Oh.
I'm gonna put this one on.
So we'll go ahead and do this real quick. Go and cut it. Or tear it. Some parts of this you can tear the tape. Other parts it's real helpful to cut it. Okay, we already made the handle part, so we'll go ahead and put that there. And we have a family reunion today. We're making 40 of these.
Yeah.
We figured we'd go ahead and take time to show you how to make one while we're at it, so you can have fun at your family reunion, or just if you got a few kids or so. This is real fun.
Yeah. And we can also put flashlights right there next to the handle.
Yep, we'll show
And
them how.
then you turn it on when it's dark.
Clara, why don't you go get the one over there that's got the flashlight in it.
Jordan has it. Jordan has it.
Okay.
Jordan or
So show them how that works there. There you go. And we will show you in just a minute or so a couple examples of how you can use these things.
Jordan or
And what you want to do is get a small flashlight. You can stick it right up the handle here, and it becomes a lightsaber. And we'll show you that in just a minute. Okay, if you would like to turn your sword into a lightsaber, get yourself a flashlight. I bought 3 of these at Lowe's for about $5 a piece. And you take the little, they'll have a little rubber thing on the top. You take that off so it slides in easier. And you just go ahead and twist it a little bit and put it right up the middle. And now you got a handle for it, and we'll show you a little video at the end of this where you can see the light. Out here you're not going to see it when you turn the light on because it's a little bit too bright outside, but at nighttime this thing glows up like a glow stick, doesn't it?
yeah, we can do that.
And so it means you can do your sword fights at nighttime. Okay, I hope that gives you some ideas, and we're going to have about 36 kids out there all battling each other with these things today. Swords up. Swords on. And fight. If you like this video, please subscribe and like.